parallel parking.
This is the parallel parking test.
Keep the vehicle in first gear and keep the car slow. Choose the parking bay that you will use. As you approach the bay, you will see the right-hand line around the right-hand side of the windscreen level with the dashboard. You should stop 1.5 feet away from the right-hand line and should have full view of the parking bay in your right door mirror. Do not apply the handbrake. When you select reverse gear, you will hear a beep. Apply the right-hand indicator. Left blind spot, left door mirror, centre mirror, right door mirror, right blind spot, rear windscreen. Once it is safe, start reversing. In your right-hand door mirror, you will see your first point of turn. This will be the edge of the yellow line showing in the corner of the right door mirror. Check your left blind spot, then turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. Remember, keep the vehicle slow. You will see the parking bay start to appear in your left door mirror. Your second point of turn will be when you see the corner of the bay. Turn the steering to the left until the wheels are straight. When the front door handle is on top of the white line, turn the steering wheel fully to the left. Reverse the vehicle until it is fully in the space, ensuring the rear bumper does not go past the parking line. The vehicle should be parallel with the left and right hand lines. Apply the handbrake and place the gear into neutral. You will hear, "Please exit the parking bay."
Exit from the parking bay.
Select first gear, apply the left indicator and ensure that it's safe to exit the parking bay. Right blind spot, right mirror, centre mirror, left mirror, left blind spot, when it's safe to move off, move the vehicle forward slowly. Use the same reference points to exit the parking bay.